Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how do you add custom location on Snapchat. So this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. So first, let's go ahead and open up Snapchat. Now from here, let's just take a random picture in here. All right, now to add a custom location, all you have to do is tap on this sticker icon right here and tap on location. Now to add a custom location, just tap on search and type in the location that you want. Now say for example, if you want to put here another location, let's say for example, I want to type in Manila. Now you have this location right here. Now tap on next and you are good to go. All right, so that is how you add a custom location on Snapchat. Thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you on the next one.